Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm cooking pepperoni pizza in the Ooni Pro and I need to go and light it, so let's go and do that. I really need to go and put a log on that. So this is the dough that I've room proofed for 24 hours and fridge proofed for the same 24 hours in my bulk box. So now I'm going to ball the contents of this up. I want to get 3 200-gram balls out of it, and I normally have spare as well. So let's do that now. So I just grab the dough out of my box. And then I weigh it, put it in some flour. I'm hoping that I can gauge how much 200 gram is by now. See what this ball is. 197, not bad. My ball of dough, 200 grams. Need a bit of flour underneath that first. Let's check the oven. Oh my gosh, look at all the debris. I can't put my pizza on that. I'll go and get my brush now, because that means I'm just going to have ash all over my pizza. So I'm going to just check the temperature first and then get a... always like the perfect temperature as well. I'm going to stick the door back on quickly. But I can't, yeah, can you see how much? Right, let's go and get a brush. Let's try again. It's probably gone too hot now. Oh, it's all right, just a little bit too hot. By the time I brush all this, I've actually never used this when the oven's on. I've only brushed when it's like off. So but this is so bad, I can't possibly put the pizza right. As the oven is so, well, look at that log is perfect there, isn't it? Right, I'm going to check to see if the temperature's gone. Yeah, perfect, 430 in the middle. I'm going for this. Now let's just put this on. Oh, don't want it that far up. Eek! Just little bit more at the back, and I think it's done. Was just the right amount of buffalo mozzarella on there, not too much, sometimes less is more. Been making quite heavy toppings with quite a lot of weight on them recently, and sometimes actually I quite like, oh god, that's really toasty, but just, yeah, nice, crunchy. 63% hydration, 24-hour room, 24-hour fridge, and I used 0.5% dried yeast. So I've cut it down because it's the summer. Made it as I always do. Ooh, this is so crunchy. Made it in the bread maker. Highly recommend making dough in a bread maker. Bread makers are professionally made to make dough. I think it's the bread maker that gives me this lovely lepting. I'm just tweaking it. Because I have tried kneading other ways and I've never got it to come out as good as this, so that's my tip for the day. That's turned out really nice. Oh my gosh, this is so crunchy. So this is really enjoyable. Can't beat pepperoni, you know, just can't go wrong. But it's been a very, very tasty dough, very tasty pizza, good cooking that pro. I didn't use the door. I just prefer, if I feel that the flame is big enough not to use a pizza door, I will not use the pizza door. So that's my other tip. If you don't need to use the pizza door, don't. Your flame is big enough. So anyway, I enjoyed this. It's very nice. Take care everyone. Stay safe. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.